Okay, guys, I want to keep tonight's watch list super short. There's just a few plays that I want to kind of go over and look at and see what the market's doing. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this watch list, and I'll see you guys after the intro.
I've been getting dirty money.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. What you're seeing, guys, here are four stocks. One of these we've already traded, Roku. I am in puts on this one currently, so you guys, yes, I did buy down here. We talked about this a little while ago. It was topping out right there. Something to kind of watch for. Now, the other one here I have marked on KO. I do believe KO is actually going to start pushing back up. Now, this is one that I'm going to buy the actual stock on. I'm not going to buy options on this one, just so everybody knows. I'm going to hold the actual stock. I think we're going to get a break over this. I'm not going to say how long it's going to take. If anybody remembers the T play that I made with AT&T, I am still holding that stock. Yes, they are down, and it is a loss for me right now so far, I believe. So you guys can see where I entered. I am down on this position, but again, it's not the worst case scenario. AT&T has a great dividend, as you can see down here. So they pay 7% yield every year. So the 7% dividend return on your money basically every year. Again, I do think that AT&T does have a lot of room for growth. Again, we got to get past these tough times, so it's something to not go into. Bank of America is the other play other than Coca-Cola that I actually really like. Bank of America does seem to be pushing over here. So I said it, I believe it was last week or at the very beginning of this week. Bank of America is going to be one of these that I'm not going to buy calls on it because it's cheap enough. It's only $25.99 right now. But it is one that I'm going to actually buy the actual stock in and hold it for a little while. I do think that there's a lot of upside for Bank of America. We've already got past this downtrend, and I think we're going to start uptrending. So that is something that I am watching for, especially with markets being at all-time highs. Again, guys, I know we were stutter stepping here at the end of last month. Again, you guys can see it would have a couple green days, and then we would just give back all of its gains on giant red candles. That does happen. I know that sucks, but now we've been steady grinding back up. We hit a new high this morning. There is possibility that we're going to hit another new high here really soon, even though today's volume, there was like no volume. It felt like there was no, if you guys can see the volume bar right here, there seems to be in the back half of the day, there seems to get some more volume. First 30 minutes of the day is obviously going to be a little crazy, but the rest of the day was absolutely just flat here for SPY. That's one that I don't like at all. And I do day trade SPY, absolutely, guys. Just so everybody knows, I do day trade SPY. And this one today got me. I lost, I think, $250 on this one. I'm still overall $1,500 for the day. Amazon was the play that was absolutely insane on this one. We caught the bottom of it and watched it run up. So this sell-off was early in the morning, and then we watched this thing come all the way back in the first early morning. And I did not capture this whole move right here. This would have been a giant move, but I did take my 10% off of it and kept moving through the day. It was a very nice play. With that being said, guys, that is the watch list. There's not a lot of plays going on right now. You guys need to be watching for the Fed report on Thursday. I know today's only Tuesday and tomorrow's Wednesday, so we get another day without making the plays. But we're gonna see people assuming some stuff. You get job reports coming out on Thursday. You get the Fed meeting on Thursday. So there are things to be watching out for and what's going on. On top of that, there are hurricanes coming in Houston. No, I'm not really worried, to be honest with you, but it does not mean that something's not going to happen. And natural disasters do cause effect on the market. You can just look in the past at that. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching the watch list, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's.